in this second time in Bhuria colony, in the slowly rain in my Bhuria colony, and all of environment trees looking very green, beautiful, and sitting crow in my mango tree in singing for the God. He thanks that the God, oh God, this rain is very beautiful. I like it very much, and I bath in raining in my mango trees, and all of environment is very looking green, very beautiful. I like it, and many people like it in this environment, and known in this environment in the big city. In the blessed environment is very beautiful and looking very nice, and all of people like in this environment. Blessed environment is very beautiful city, and flowers and slowly rain in my Bhuria colony. I like it. I love it very much. Every people like it in this environment. Do you like it in this environment? In green, airy, fresh, and in the sky is clear and cloud in rain very much. Every people like it very much, and flower looking nice, fresh, and all trees are bath in, and thanks to the God. Oh God, it's raining is very like very beautiful. I love it very much. Every people is like it there, and very fresh, and no pollution, no no crowded, and no crowded, and no sounded. In this blessed environment is clean, airy, fresh, and silence, no pollution, no illness, no anybody's or illness, fresher, not fresher, fast. I like it very much. Every people like it very much. Thank you, and crow and singing in mango trees, and thanks to the God, and he bath in the trees. Thanks. Do you like it very much? I like it very much. Every people like it very much in this rainy season. Thanks. Okay.